for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. Dell launched Small Business Month to celebrate the entrepreneurial spirit and its role in sustaining the economy. The program focuses on rewarding SMBs by offering innovative products and solutions with savings up to 32,000, cashback promotions, customized and buy options, and more. Dell added that its technology advisors provide tailored tech solutions with Intel vPro platform to further boost business productivity. Uttar Pradesh has become the first state in the country to conduct 1 crore COVID-19 tests with 1.61 lakh tests in the past 24 hours. As of Wednesday, the total number of tests conducted in the state stood at 1,98,896. Nearly 42% of these tests were done through the RT-PCR method. Total number of coronavirus cases in India has increased to 63,12,584 after a single day spike of 86,821 cases. The number of patients who have been discharged so far has reached 52,73,200. Meanwhile, death toll in the country has surged to 98,678. Out of the total cases, 9,40,705 are currently active. WHO chief Tedros said that coronavirus has killed 10 lakh people, but the real number is certainly higher. He also said thousands more are fighting for their lives in hospitals all over the world. Coronavirus has infected nearly 3.4 crore people globally, according to the Johns Hopkins University tracker. A youth in UP's Baghpat killed 11 pigeons belonging to his neighbor after the latter scolded him up for spitting in front of his house. He climbed onto the roof of his neighbor's house and killed the pigeons kept in a cage with a stone. We have filed the FIR under relevant provisions of Wildfire Protection Act, the police said. States UTs can decide on reopening of schools, colleges and coachings after October 15, 2020 in a graded manner under the government's latest reopening guidelines. Students who prefer online classes may be permitted to do so and physical attendance will not be enforced. Department of Higher Education may take a decision on the timing of the opening of colleges, higher education institutes. Kerala woman completes 350 online courses in 90 days, creates world record. Kerala Aarti Raghunath has made a world record at the Universal Record Forum for completing 350 online courses in 3 months. Aarti is a second-year MSc Biochemistry student at MES College. She completed the courses offered by State University of New York, University of Virginia and University of Rochester, among others. India successfully test fires BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. India on Wednesday successfully test fired an extended range BrahMos supersonic cruise missile with an indigenous booster and airframe in Odisha's Balasore. The missile, capable of hitting targets at over 400 km range, flew at nearly 3 times the speed of sound, the government said. PM Narendra Modi congratulated the DRDO team and said the missile has achieved yet another milestone. The Maldives has become the world's first country to offer tourist a loyalty program wherein they can earn points based on the number of visits and duration of stay. The Maldives Border Miles program will have 3 tiers, which each tier offering a variety of rewards, services and benefits. Additional points will be awarded for visits to celebrate special occasions. India announces state mourning on October 4 over Kuwait ruler's death. India will observe a one-day state mourning on October 4 as a mark of respect to Amir of Kuwait, Sheikh Sabah Al Ahmed Al Zabar Al Sabah, who passed away on September 29. An official statement said the national flag will be flown at half-mast on all government buildings on that day and there will be no official entertainment, it added. There is a reverse zoo in China that puts the visitors inside gadgets and allows the animals to roam free. When red pandas feel threatened, they stand up and extend their claws to look bigger and more dangerous. Sunglasses were originally designed for Chinese judges to hide their facial expression in court. A 73-year-old Portuguese YouTuber had less than 2,000 subscribers towards the end of January. He posted a video thanking his subscribers by writing down their names, and video went viral and got 30 million views on it. That's the love of subscribers. Canon When India donates essential food and sanitation items in its adopted villages, this move will benefit more than 12,500 people, including the daily wages and below poverty line families. Thank you for watching. I hope which is very